Hey, good morning here from Swickley. Mike Lewandowski. I am here with Stu Coppage and Alex Takis from Desmone, the architecture team on Orbital, 2 out of the 3, and then Phil from Red Swing. And so we just wanted to do quick introductions so you can meet the team behind the building that's going to come. I'm going to be the project executive, working with architects, civil, the township, the people of Swickley. And so my role is to help our project manager, Jared Eck, get this thing completely built. So if you want to do an intro.
Stuart Coppage with Desmone. I'm the lead architect and project manager for this great little project, working with Alex and everybody else on the design team. Also Bob Rokup down in Florida, who's our design architect partner on this.
Yep.
Having a great time on this project and looking to do some great things for Orbital and also for the surrounding community of Swickley.
And I'm Alex Takis. I'm the right-hand man to Stuart. Nuts and bolts, making sure the drawings are all crisp and clean so Mike and crew have a good blueprint to build off of.
Phil. I'm Phil Karanovich, Civil Project Manager with Red Swing Group. We were responsible for the initial site survey, site planning with the borough, as well as the overall site design.
We started in July of last year. It's been quite a journey. This is definitely the very largest project our company's ever taken on. And working with the Orbital team, they've all been great. And working with Desmone and Bob Rokup and Red Swing and Alan Sharif, everybody worked very, very well together. So I think we're very well set up for a successful project. And in addition to that, we are coming into other people's homes in Swickley. So we've been trying to really gear in with the community, the borough, Lou Safran and his property, the neighbors over here, and everybody else. I think so far so good, but this is no BS, even though they're standing right there, all right? Phil has been unbelievable. He responds to every email. He's been unbelievable. Everything gets done on time, and we set clear expectations. Same thing with the Desmone team and Bob Rokup, designed a beautiful building. There's been a lot of changes just throughout the process, but we stuck together as a team and marched towards one goal. And so, because everybody worked real well together, I think this is why we went from basically an 8x11 piece of paper to 500 pages worth of documents and something to build off of. So everybody's been great.
It's a mixed-use building. The first floor will have a couple of retail spaces as well as parking for the condos upstairs. Second floor is the Orbital corporate offices. And the third floor will be 3 luxury condominiums that'll have some nice views of this beautiful little neighborhood. It's a real honor for us to work on this project, and a big part of that is the team that we've been able to put together. With Desmone Architects as the architect of record, and Bob Rokup down in Florida as the design architect. And just a great process that we've gone through here with the town of Swickley. They've been great to work with, and so it's good to see progress being made on this project. One of the things that's really special about this is I think everybody showed up and they brought their brains, but they checked their egos at the door. And it's all about doing a great project for our owner and working together with each other, doing something that the town of Swickley will be proud to have in their community. The project is a pretty interesting design with a lot of brick, just enough glass to make it interesting and fun and provide for great views. It's got a really neat entry feature at the front of it, and then all of the other spaces inside that'll work well for everybody that'll be in the building. So again, the main thing for me is that we've got a great team. As you can see, I've been around for a while, and so for me, it's really an honor to work on a project where everybody's pulling in the same direction, working well with the community, working well with the construction team, and that's what it's really all about for us as architects.
We've had a great joint effort with L&L here as a design builder, working very closely. It's been an amazing process and frankly a newer process for me, being able to work so closely with the general contractor. Throughout early design with Bob Rokup, the design architect, we progressed his work into a construction set. And with that comes a lot of responsibility to make sure the nuts and bolts, the details, the wall sections, and the coordination between all disciplines come together. In addition to that, when we get to the end, we have to permit it. And so working with Swickley has also been a actually wonderful experience. It can be a bit difficult to get city approval for such an urban and public-facing project, but the city and the borough seem to have a very high interest and excitement for this project.
Our roles as civil engineer was to perform the site survey initially, and then we were working hand in hand with the Borough of Sewickley, and then we completed the overall site design for the project. It's been a fun project to work on. There's been some challenges with the project, of a project this nature. One specifically being what to do with the site stormwater. We were responsible for designing an underground detention facility that will collect and store the stormwater. As well, the borough currently does not have public storm sewer service to the project site, so we will be extending the public storm sewer to our site. It's been a pleasure working with L&L, the Desmone team, the Orbital team. We're really excited that construction is underway. And look forward to the finished product, as well as the Borough of Sewickley. I think they will enjoy it as well.
So far so good. I think we've worked very well together through the whole pre-phase, and now we're currently under construction. So thank you guys for checking in with us.